Today, I'm going to teach you how to do a site audit of your website in Semrush. This is an incredibly useful feature that helps you identify technical issues, crawlability problems, and optimization opportunities that might be holding your site back in search rankings. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to semrush.com. Once you're there, sign in with your Semrush account credentials. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple clients or websites. After signing in, look to the left navigation panel and click on SEO. This will open up a range of SEO tools available within Semrush. From here, you'll need to select the project you want to audit. If you already have a project set up for your website, simply click on it. If not, you'll need to create a new project first, which only takes a moment. Once you've clicked the project card to open it, direct your attention to the right side of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Site Audit. This is the tool that will analyze your entire website for technical issues and SEO problems. Click on Setup or New Site Audit to create an audit campaign for your project. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your target domain. Type in your website URL, something like example.com. You'll also see options to adjust crawl settings if needed, such as the number of pages to crawl or specific areas to focus on. These settings allow you to customize the audit based on your site's size and your specific needs. After configuring everything, click Start Site Audit to begin the crawling process. Semrush will now systematically go through your website, analyzing every accessible page. This might take a few minutes depending on your site's size, so be patient while it completes. Once the crawl finishes, click on the audit result that appears. You'll be taken to a comprehensive dashboard showing your site's health score and various metrics. The Overview tab gives you a quick snapshot, but the real value comes from clicking into individual sections like Issues, Crawlability, HTTPS, and Page Experience. Each section breaks down specific problems that need attention. Use the filters and suggestions provided to identify and prioritize issues. Focus on high-severity items first, as these are likely having the biggest impact on your site's performance. Finally, you can export the audit report or share it with your team members to collaborate on fixing the identified issues. Thanks for watching.